Hello, people of YouTube. Today I decided I wanted to make a tier list of 1960 to 2023 military fighter jets. So I went to Tier Maker, looked one up, and here it is. I'll start with the ones that I know and then do the ones that I don't know later. First, the F-104 Starfighter. I'd say a solid B tier. I like the aesthetic of the aircraft, but it doesn't always look great. Then, um, I'll start with the most recognizable ones. The MiG-21 Balalaika. I'd say a C tier. I don't like how it looks all that much, but it's fast and I like that. Then, the F-14, the F-14 Tomcat. I am a Tomcat stan. There's just nothing that can stop me from putting that in A. Then we continue on. I'm pretty sure that's the F-15. Yep, that seems to line up. The F-15, in my opinion, is a bit overrated. It has nothing that special going for it. So I'm gonna put it in C tier since it's still a pretty formidable fighter. Here, the F-16. Again, a bit overrated, but still a formidable fighter. The F-22, very overrated, but an even better fighter, so also C tier. F-35. I am a big fan of VTOL. This one's going A tier. Let's see, what more do we have? The A-10 Warthog here. I mean, I like it, but it's very overrated. B tier. The Cheng J-20. I tried building this one in Trailmakers once, that failed miserably, but I like how it looks, so I guess I'll give it B tier. That's the F-18 Hornet, right? Yep, that's the F-18 Hornets. I don't know much about the F-18 Hornets, but I kinda like how it looks, so I'm gonna put it in B tier. B and C are getting a bit cluttered, so I guess I'm gonna continue on with a few that I like more or less. Dorito plane here. I'm not sure what it's called, but I recognize it by the fact that it is a Dorito. A tier. The F4 Phantom. Instant S tier. I don't care what y'all say. I love the F4 Phantom. Anyway, continuing on. Let's see. Ooh, the Harrier jump jet. Again, instant S tier. It's my favorite fighter jet. Then, let's see. Is the Eurofighter? I think that's the Eurofighter. Yep, that's the Eurofighter. Don't know much about it. Kinda like it, so I guess I'll put it in B tier. Let's see. Pretty sure this is the AJS Viggen. I don't know much about it, I'll put it in C tier. Su-57. I guess D tier. No, C tier. It's sleek, but I don't like. But that's basically the only thing it has going for it. Su-47, instant A tier. Hyper maneuverable. I love the backward swept wings. Instant S tier. Moving on. What is that? The F8, right? Yep, that's the F8 Crusader. I like its name, and I like the way it looks quite a lot. I'll give it a solid A tier. Wait, is that another Eurofighter? Oh, that's the Dassault Rafale. I guess I'll keep it there since it's so similar to the Eurofighter. Continuing on. Let's see. I don't know very many of these. I thought my fighter jet knowledge was more vast. Well, I can't really rate them I can't really rate them if I don't know anything about them, so I'm just gonna rate them on the rest on looks. I like how this one looks. It's chunky. I like that. This one... Oh, wait, this is the F5. I don't like the F5. Continuing on, this one, I still have no clue what it is. Probably something either Russian or German. But I like the way it looks. It's giving me similar vibes as the F-104, so I guess I'll put it in B tier. Then, this one. I don't quite know what this is, like with many of these. Wait. Is that? I don't know what this one is, but it looks a lot like the F5, so I'm gonna put it in the same tier. Then, this one... it's okay. It's not shit, but it's not great. This one... Don't know either. I guess I'll go B tier. Oh wait, this is the F-86 Sabre. I like the Sabre. It's not the best, but I kinda like it. This one looks similar to the Harrier and the Phantom. I'm gonna give it A tier. Wait a minute, is this what I think it is? Nope, it was not in fact what I thought it was. So I guess I'll put it in B tier since they look similar. This one looks weird. I like it though. What is that? I don't know. I'm gonna put it in E tier, I guess. Because I don't know, but I don't like it. This one... This is like this is like the thing that everybody thinks of when they think fighter jet. Well, I would rate the rest, but it's getting a bit long, so I guess I'll see y'all in another video. Bye bye.